popcorn is ready, as you can see, and I am so hungry right now for them. I just want to eat them right now, so I'll just pick this one and eat it. Wow. Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we will make a new and a delicious recipe. So the name of this recipe is called chicken popcorn. So let's begin with our ingredients. First we have garlic powder 1 teaspoon, and we have black pepper 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, and we have mustard powder 1/2 teaspoon, and we have the best ingredient, chicken 500 gram and small cubes, as you can see. And now we'll put all our ingredients. Mustard goes in. Chili sauce, soya sauce 1 tablespoon. There goes our soya sauce in. And now we'll mix it. And now we'll marinate it for 1 hour. Now we will make the coating. We have 1/2 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons rice flour, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. And now we'll add everything in there. And now we'll mix it gently. And now we'll do it our marinated chicken. First we'll add it in the corn flour. As you can see, in the water we go. And in the corn flour, we will do this as well with every chicken, marinated chicken we have. As you can see, it is nicely crumbed, and now we will fry it. So guys, now we will fry our chicken. We will fry it for 2 minutes. And now we will flip it. And now put it in a strainer and let it cook. This looks so delicious and yummy. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, leave a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'll meet you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.